The 2026 Aprilia RS 457 is a lightweight supersport motorcycle from Aprilia, designed to deliver track-inspired performance in a compact and beginner-friendly package. It combines aggressive styling, a high-revving twin-cylinder engine, and advanced electronics, making it one of the most exciting bikes in the 400 to 500 cubic centimeters sport bike segment. Engine and performance. The RS 457 is powered by a 457 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine with ride-by-wire technology. Key engine specs. Power, 47. 6 horsepower at 9,400 revolutions per minute. Torque, 43.5 Newton-meters at 6,700 revolutions per minute. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox. Slipper and assist clutch. This engine offers strong mid-range torque and smooth acceleration, making it ideal for both city riding and aggressive cornering. Sport bike design and styling. The 2026 RS 457 features true supersport DNA inspired by Aprilia's racing machines. Design highlights. Full fairing with aerodynamic vents. Sharp LED twin headlight setup. Clip-on handlebars for sporty posture. MotoGP-inspired color options, including GP replica. Its aggressive design gives it a mini superbike look, similar to bigger Aprilia models like the RS 660. Chassis and suspension. The bike is built on a twin-spar aluminum frame, which is rare in this segment and improves handling. Suspension setup. Front, $41 million fork, adjustable preload, 120 mm travel. Rear, monoshock, 130 mm travel. Brakes. Front, 320 mm disc with radial caliper. Rear, 220 mm disc. Dual-channel ABS. This setup delivers excellent cornering stability and sharp handling, making it perfect for twisty roads and track riding. Technology and features. The RS 457 is packed with modern electronics, making it one of the most advanced bikes in its class. Key features include 5-inch TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle, riding modes, rain, road, sport, traction control, ATC, dual-channel ABS with anti-rollover system, optional quick shifter. These features enhance both performance and rider safety. Dimensions and weight. Seat height, almost equals 800 mm. Fuel tank, 13 liters. Weight, almost equals 175 kg. Top speed, almost equals 190 km/h. The lightweight chassis and balanced ergonomics make it accessible for beginners yet exciting for experienced riders. White heavy checkmark summary. The 2026 Aprilia RS 457 offers 47.6 horsepower parallel twin engine, lightweight aluminum chassis, advanced electronics, TFT, traction control, ride modes, aggressive supersport styling, great balance of performance and affordability. Backhand index pointing right. It's one of the best choices for riders who want a true sport bike experience without jumping to a 600 cubic centimeters or liter class machine.